You think ceviche is a mystery to make? We're going to show you how easy it is. Delicious, simple, and awesome. Here it comes. All right, guys, so here we have the ingredients to make snapper ceviche. And again, this is a celebratory snack because we are in Florida. Again, not in my usual kitchen, in Mama Old School's kitchen. So we got the humid resistant salt and pepper to make it easy. 2 beautiful red snapper fillets. They're just under a pound. 3 juicy limes, a little bit of ginger, cilantro, red onion, and table water crackers and some hot sauce. Now the ginger, the hot sauce, subject to your taste. You don't necessarily need them, but they do add awesome flavor if you like those flavors. So let's get started with this ceviche. My sous chef dicing the red snapper into very small pieces. That's the way I like it. Moss would cut it probably double that size, but I like it small in my ceviche. Thanks, Moss. All right, so Moss has so carefully diced the red snapper into these small bite-sized pieces. We have juiced 3 of the limes, and it's about 3/4 of a cup of lime juice. And the important thing to do is to add the lime juice to the ceviche just to cover it, because it's really the acid in the lime juice that's going to cure or cook the ceviche itself. And it's a pretty cool process. Some of you might say, sounds like sushi to me, old school. And, it's similar, but it is technically a chemical reaction that has changed the flesh. As you will see, in about half hour, 40 minutes, the fish will turn a flaky white, and we should have a nice ceviche to be built. So that was about how much, Moss? Half a cup?
Half a cup, yes.
Yeah, half a cup of lime juice. And you see how it has covered it. If you add more lime juice, it's not bad, but sometimes it makes it too acidic, and that's what we found in making lots of ceviche. This is usually a ceviche that we make in the latter part of the summer when we're in Long Island and catching fresh fluke. That's my personal favorite, but hey, we are in South Florida, so it's gotta be a South Floridian fish, and what better than red snapper. So we're gonna let that sit for about a half hour, check it, see how it is. And then all we do is add the other ingredients in, mix it all up, and it's ready to go. Be right back. All right, guys, so the fish has been curing in the lime juice for just about 30 minutes, and it is ready. Moss is the taste tester and makes sure that everything is ready to go. She has chopped, obviously, the red onion, the cilantro, and a little ground ginger, and a little salt and pepper to taste. So all we're gonna do is mix it in there. You add a little fresh lime juice, just a squeeze on top, and it will be ready to go. You see how it has changed its color? And it has technically cooked with that chemical reaction from the lime juice acidity. Can't wait to put it on a couple of those little crackers there, a little dab of hot sauce, delicious. Be right back. All right, guys, there you have it. There is the red snapper ceviche, all mixed up, ready to go. Now, Old School being the official taste tester, Moss is gonna make me a little something so I can taste it. That's good, baby.
Okay.
Okay, and a little dab of hot sauce. This is not the usual fish we use because usually Moss and I make this with fresh fluke that we catch, and we know how fresh it is because it's caught. Moss fillets it, and we eat it in ceviche or fluke fillets many different ways. So cheers, guys. Thank you so much for watching this celebratory snack in South Florida. After that awesome win, and without further ado, I gotta pop this in my mouth and taste it because I'm sure it is awesome. So good, Moss. So good. That red snapper is absolutely delicious. I don't know. May give the fluke a run for its money. I may have to come back here and do it again. Cheers, all. Thank you so much for your support. Hope to bring you some more celebratory snacks soon, because you know what that means. The slots were good to old school, and that's what it's all about. Cheers all. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be right back with more action real soon.